Hey, this is Eric Spotswood, Prosperity Home Mortgage, and yes, I'm back in the pool again. Now, why am I back in the pool again? Because I haven't been able to get in for days because it's been raining incredibly hard. Did you know that it's hurricane season right now? Well, why is all that important? That's important because during hurricane season, one of the biggest things that can disrupt the loan is not being able to bind an insurance policy. You have to have insurance coverage if you're going to close on a loan with a home with a loan. Sorry. So to be able to do that, you have to not just go out and get a quote for what the insurance is. You have to bind the policy. The binding of the policy means they've actually secured that policy for you. Now, that doesn't cost anything, and you can put that in for up to 30 days. So there's really no risk in being able to do that. The problem occurs with when a hurricane starts coming in, they put a freeze on binding those policies until after the hurricane is gone, after they've made sure it's not a FEMA disaster area, after they've made sure there's no damage. So if you're intending on closing a loan while that freeze is in place, which could be a week, maybe sometimes more, you're not going to be able to do it. So the important thing is find out what you're going to do for your insurance very quickly, especially during hurricane season, and go ahead and bind that policy. It doesn't mean you can't shop. It doesn't going to cost you any money. It's just a good, safe way to make sure your loan makes it to the closing table. I'm going to go for a swim while the weather's still great. Enjoy your hurricane season and bind those policies. Take care, everybody. Bye.